When you receive the adjustable X banner stand, simply remove the stand from the carrying case. You'll fold out all legs on the center hub. After folding out the legs, you'll need to extend each leg by loosening the thumb screw. After the leg has been extended, tighten the thumb screw, usually a 1/2 to 3/4 turn, as shown here. Then adjust the back leg so the stand sits at the desired angle. After the stand has been set in position, take your graphic out. Then hang your graphic on the top 2 tension rods. Then moving to the bottom, attach each corner individually. Total setup time for this banner stand is less than 2 minutes.